Hiking is one of the easiest and most accessible outdoor activities. You're about to head into the superb outdoor for an epic hike. That is a really amazing thing. Because walking outside can do marvels for your body, helping elevate your heart rate and even boosting your mood. But the only thing you really require is the gear that can create hiking all that more enjoyable. So if you're casually hiking to a favorite waterfall or bagging a difficult summit, carrying the proper gear is absolutely critical. So here's our selection of the 5 best hiking gears regardless of your requirements. Let's check them out.
Hello there, we are the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so the viewer may know about the products. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
The Garmin inReach Mini 2 is an ultra-light and packable satellite communicator for long-distance backpackers and thru hikers that has outstanding two-way messaging capabilities and search and rescue. It is waterproof, durable enough to leave clipped to the outside of your bag all day and operates to send messages everywhere your cell phone doesn't. However, the most important thing that Garmin delivers is the interactive SOS emergency function. Besides the SOS function and having the maps when synced to your smartphone, two-way messaging may be the next most significant benefit of this communicator. No matter the situation, you can share your adventure with others around you. Even you can password protect your map share links or leave them wide open for people to see on Facebook and Twitter. Also, it has longer battery life and can last up to 14 days in the field when set on a 10-minute tracking mode. At just 3.5 ounces, this gear is light enough to bring on any adventure. Overall, this communicator is a must-have for backpackers, thru hikers and anyone else who spends extended periods of time in the backcountry. If you want a reasonably priced yet stylish hiking backpack that you can carry around the city and take on a weekend holiday trip, the Osprey Hikelite hiking backpack might be perfect for you. You may be surprised to realize that this 18 liters backpack has an internal frame and a peripheral wear which delivers its shape and also delivers tension to its back trampoline mesh. And it is a tiny pack with an awesome back ventilation system, and it has many features suitable for ultralight and fast day hiking tours. It uses 100D nylon in the body of the pack and a 500D nylon pack cloth on the bottom. You have the usual side mesh pockets, quite large and with very stretchy material. Plus you can store water bottles there or tripod or anything similar. Even one top scratch-free pocket is available for glasses and electronics, and the rest is just the main compartment with its internal sleeve. Its internal hydration sleeve accommodates up to a 3-liter reservoir. So if you're searching for an easy pack that delivers superior comfort, incredible ventilation, and added features like an integrated rain cover, this backpack will be the best for you. The LifeStraw Go water filter bottle is compact and portable enough to bring in mountain bike rides, short hikes, and even longer backpacking trips as a complement to a larger filtration system. This bottle can filter water from any source safely. It is made with durable BPA-free Triton and features a food-grade silicone mouthpiece and a high-quality hollow fiber membrane activated carbon capsule. Without requiring batteries or pumping, LifeStraw Go's 2-stage hollow fiber 0.2 micron filter membrane with activated carbon removes 99.9% of bacteria, protozoa like Giardia and Cryptosporidium, and organic chemicals like pesticides and herbicides. Moreover, this water filter lasts for approximately 1,000 gallons, that means 4,000 liters of water, so it arrives with the peace of mind that you are not gonna suddenly be filterless mid-adventure. All in all, this could be an excellent water bottle to carry on short day hikes where it could be a refill from streams along the way. The PETZL ACTIK Core Headlamp is a multi-beam headlamp developed for various outdoor activities. It particularly stands out as an option for use by seasoned hikers. This is a user-friendly headlamp. This headlamp has 3 brightness levels and it runs up to 130 hours. Also, you'll like the 75-gram headlamp from PETZL, which emits 450 lumens on its highest setting and has a red light setting, which is fantastic for reading and doing tasks around other campers at night. With the hybrid concept design, this headlamp is compatible with 3 AAA batteries for longer trips. And its battery is recharged in just 3 hours. It is equipped with a detachable, washable headband that features reflective accents for nighttime visibility. Plus, its 2-beam patterns and several wide brightness levels meet the requirements for high-performance lighting and dynamic outdoor activities. Furthermore, this is compatible with mounting accessories that permit the lamp to be attached to any kind of helmet or to a bicycle. Overall, the PETZL ACTIK Core headlamp will be a great choice for both relaxed campers and active hikers. The INIU power bank is most suitable for hiking and it is an affordable power bank. This power bank is lightweight and compact and it can charge multiple devices at once. It has a 10,000 mAh capacity. The charging from this power bank is pretty good and it is a standard charging output. It has 2 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C port. All the ports on this power bank have the same 5V or 3A power output. Its exclusive U-Power Plus technology allows the optimized charge to all your USB devices, even AirPods, smartwatches, and heated vests. Charging automatically starts when you plug a device into this power bank. There's a power button in case you need to check the power capacity or if you require to restart charging. And all the ports can be found on the same side along with an LED flashlight that you can turn on by holding down the power button. Additionally, this scales in at about 7 ounces, which means it is small enough to carry in your bag or even pocket comfortably. Finally, this affordable and compact power bank can be an impressive choice for pretty much anyone.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.